Hello, I'm First Alert Meteorologist David Reese on your side with your Monday afternoon forecast for WRBL.com, and we are tracking another round of showers and even a few thunderstorms for late tonight. So the rain you're experiencing this afternoon is round number one. It hasn't accumulated to a whole lot, and it's not going to, less than a quarter of an inch for many of us. However, as we head into 11 o'clock this evening, notice that big old batch of yellows, reds, and oranges moving over the top of us. That indicates a possibility for some very heavy rain. We could also pick up a few rumbles of thunder and some gusty winds upwards of 40, maybe 50 miles an hour within some of the stronger thunderstorms. Most of the severe weather should stay closer to the Gulf Coast. Meanwhile, by 3 a.m., when the lunar eclipse is supposed to be happening, we're not going to be able to see it. Clouds and rain around most of the southeast. By 10:30 Tuesday morning, we're looking at those showers coming slowly to an end. And by tomorrow afternoon, we're actually looking at a somewhat clearing sky. And that clearing sky will allow temperatures to bounce back. I'll show you what I mean by that in just a second. But first, let's show you how much we could potentially pick up. Generally, around 2.5 to 3 inches of rain area-wide. Some locations could pick up locally heavier amounts, like you're seeing there in Troy, and you follow close to 4 to 5 inches of rain. That is certainly within the realm of possibility, but still, most of us will see probably between 2.5 to 3 inches of rain this go-around. Now, temperatures, I mentioned those are going to be interesting. Well, 62 degrees when we're heading out and about for your Tuesday morning. And then notice what happens when we go out to lunch. We drop down into the low to mid 50s. Yeah, it's going to be a little chilly tomorrow, that's for sure. But once we see that late afternoon sunshine, we'll top back out in the upper 50s, closer to 60 degrees. So the warmest part of the day is actually when you'll be waking up tomorrow. Then temperatures will take a nosedive. So grab those jackets, because not only is it going to be chilly, but it's also going to be on the windy side, making it feel a little bit colder than that. And then those winds will gust as high as 25-30 miles an hour from the northwest, drawing in all that cold air from the north. Our computer model is very bullish on the cold air that's coming down the pipeline here with 33 degrees Wednesday morning. That is definitely a possibility if, and this is a capital if winds go calm. If winds do not go calm, temperatures will be closer to the upper 30s to near 40 degrees for many of us. So Wednesday morning is all going to depend on if those winds go calm, and that's also dealing with the frost threat as well. Usually we wait until Easter to start planting. Well, Easter was late this year. I know a lot of us have already started planting. Take the necessary precautions Wednesday morning, because it's going to get chilly, especially for locations north of Columbus. 58 degrees, though, your afternoon high temperature for your Tuesday. 38 degrees Wednesday morning. Again, that is all dependent on the amount of winds we see. 67 degrees then for Wednesday. 68 on Thursday under a mostly cloudy sky as a strong northeasterly breeze sets up, and the wedge could nudge its way down into our neck of the woods, and we'll keep a close eye on that. And then our next opportunity for rain comes during the day Friday and early Saturday morning.